This is the EcoFlow Delta Pro ecosystem, a huge expandable capacity. A mix of renewable charging solutions and direct integration with your home. In this video, we'll show you how to use the EcoFlow solar tracker and solar panels. The solar tracker can be thought of in three parts: the panel frame, the base, and the legs. Let's start with the base and legs. Below the control module, you'll find a solar charging connector. Use this to connect your EcoFlow unit to the tracker. On the top of the control module is an emergency button for an immediate shutdown and a compass on the right to align your unit. In the center of the module is a motorized lever arm. This raises or lowers the panel frame to your required angle. You'll also find the other end of the solar charging connector on the front side of the module to plug into your solar panels. Now, let's take a look at the panel frame. The frame is made up of 4 bars to mount your panel. Each is screwed to the main frame. If you're using rigid third-party panels, you can swap the bars for the provided hooks to mount them. On the top of the frame is the light sensor. This detects where there is enough light and turns on your tracker to begin following the path of the sun. The solar tracker can rotate 345 degrees, therefore it has a 15-degree blind spot. This means if you're in the northern hemisphere, you should position the front of the solar tracker to the east with a slight northern tilt. If you're in the southern hemisphere, position your solar tracker to the east with a slight southern tilt. If you're using EcoFlow 400-watt solar panels with your solar tracker, you should first adjust the panel frame to fit your panels. To do that, loosen the hand screws on the back of the unit and adjust the width to match your panel. Once mounted, you can plug in your solar panel and portable power station, then long press the power button. The sensor will then detect sunlight, calibrate with a full rotation and tilt, and then lock onto the sun. If no sunlight is detected for a while, the unit will stand by until it detects sun again on the next day or sunny period. EcoFlow solar panels are efficient, flexible, and durable. You can use the provided case as a stand to prop up your panels anywhere. For best results, ensure your panels are perpendicular to the sun. That's how to use the EcoFlow solar tracker and solar panels. Need more tutorials? Head to the EcoFlow Support YouTube channel.